Today, you will learn how to add headings in Microsoft Word in a very simple and beginner-friendly way. Welcome to Easy Guide YouTube channel. First, open your Microsoft Word document and type the text that you want to turn into a heading. This could be a title of a section, like Introduction, Chapter 1, or Conclusion. After typing the text, select it with your mouse. Now, go to the Home tab on the ribbon at the top of Word. In the Styles section, you will see different styles like Heading 1 and Heading 2. Click on Heading 1 to make it a main heading. If the text is a subsection under a main heading, you can choose Heading 2 instead. As soon as you click, your text will change its appearance and look like a proper heading. By default, Microsoft Word uses a blue color and Calibri Light font for headings, but don't worry, you can change this very easily. Click on the heading text that you just created. Then use the Font tools in the Home tab to change the font style, size, color, or make it bold. You can also right-click the text to use the small floating toolbar that appears for quick formatting. If you don't want to repeat this formatting again and again for every heading, you can save this new design into the heading style. After formatting the heading the way you like, keep it selected. Now go to the Styles section again, right-click on Heading 1 or Heading 2, and choose Update Heading to match selection. From now on, whenever you apply that heading style in this document, it will automatically use your new design. This saves a lot of time and keeps your document consistent. Another useful thing is that headings allow you to collapse and expand sections of your document. When you move your mouse over a heading, you will see a small arrow on the left side. You can click this arrow to hide the content under that section. This is very helpful when you're working on a long document and want to focus on only one part at a time. You can also quickly jump to any heading without scrolling through the whole document. Go to the View tab and check the box for Navigation Pane. A panel will open on the left side showing all your headings. You can simply click any heading there, and Word will take you directly to that section. You can even change the overall look of all headings and text by using themes. Go to the Design tab and try different themes. This will instantly change the appearance of headings and the whole document to give it a professional look. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who want to learn Microsoft Word in an easy way.